Yes, I said you should keep posting your bad videos because your bad videos will eventually make your channel grow and blow up. I'm going to give you 2 good reasons why you should keep posting those videos that you feel they are bad. Keep posting them. And I'm also going to share with you some factors that you should check yourself whether you have this. If you do not have, then it is high time you started imbibing these factors, because these are the things that will actually help your channel to grow. Because I've had some people come on here to tell me that, okay, Glory, I've been consistent with my channel. I've been consistent with good thumbnails, with quality content, good titles, good scripting and all of that. Yet I'm not seeing the results. The thing is, there is no certain number of videos that you should upload before your video will now go viral. YouTube does not have that rule of numbers that, okay, it is when you've uploaded your 10th video or your 20th video that your video will go viral. No. So that means you just need to keep posting. I'm going to give you 2 key reasons. The first reason is you are laying a foundation for your channel. Now, let's assume you post just one video and you stop. That foundation is very weak. Just take it that way. That foundation is very, very weak. Now, if you keep uploading, you are building your foundation, you are solidifying your foundation in that you are getting to learn more. If you're watching this particular video later, you'll see what went wrong. Sometimes it can be from your viewers that will tell you that, okay, this part, this one you did not try here or something. Or from your YouTube studio, you will see where your audience started dropping off. I already taught you how to see all of that on your YouTube studio, how to get that information from your YouTube studio. So it is as you keep uploading, if you do not keep on posting, you will not lay that foundation for yourself. You will not be able to know what you are doing that's right and what you are doing that's not right. So keep posting, because you are uploading, you are building for yourself, you are laying for yourself a good foundation. Now, another thing is you never can tell the video that's going to go viral. Remember, I'm still talking about laying your foundation. You never can tell the video that's going to go viral. I mentioned it that it might be your 10th, your 20th, your 100th video. Personally, I've uploaded over 200 videos on this channel, although I decided to delete some, unlist, privatize some, so you might be seeing lesser videos. Do you understand? But I've uploaded up to that and more. That if you go to my channel, I think you should be able to see over 100 videos on my channel, and those videos have set a foundation for my channel, such that when people start watching, because eventually one video will go viral, your video will go viral, and once your video goes viral and people come into your channel, they will check through and see what your channel is about, and they will go back to your other videos and watch. And by so doing, you are helping your watch hours. You are helping to get to that threshold. So if you stop posting those videos that you feel like, or more, these videos are not doing well, so that means they're just bad, then you will not get to that point where people start to come back to binge watch, where you will not get to that point where you start increasing your watch hours. You will not get to that point where your video would go viral. One video will go viral, because you never can tell whether it is your next video that will go viral. So just keep posting, because you're laying a good foundation. When people come and they see that, okay, this person already has a good number of videos, and these videos are quality videos, okay, to you might feel like these videos are bad because they're not doing very well, but you yourself, you know that you're uploading quality content. Do you understand? So just keep uploading it like that. The videos you feel they are bad because people are not watching, keep uploading it, because eventually people will come back and watch those videos. Remember, I said I'm going to give you 2 points. The next point, you really need to hear it, so just flow with me. Now, I said it that there are some factors that you should check to see whether you have. I'm going to take you through my channel to show you why I said you should keep posting even the videos you feel that they are bad. Keep posting them. I'm going to take you there. But before I take you there, let me just tell you some of the factors that you should check whether you have. If you do not have them, then you should start imbibing them. The first thing is passion. Are you passionate about it? Because if you're not passionate about it, there is every likelihood that as you are posting and people are not watching, you will drop off. So ask yourself, if you do not have that passion, you need to start developing it. Or if you feel there is a need for you to change content, to change niche, then you change. But the thing is, keep uploading, keep posting. You need to be passionate about it, whatever it is that you are posting. So tell yourself, have I been passionate about this thing? If you've been passionate, passion is what is going to drive you through thick and thin. Passion is what is going to help you to keep posting even when people are not watching. Another thing you're going to ask yourself is, are you anxious? Do you have that anxiety in you? My mom once told me that you being anxious is when let me use YouTube as an example. You filmed a video and you want Of course, you want good reviews from that video. You want people to watch. You want good results from that video. Now you upload the video, but you're expecting bad results. You understand? You've done something, but you're expecting bad. You want something good from it, but you yourself, you're expecting bad from it. Do you understand? So erase that from your mind. If you have that in your mind, just keep uploading, because you know that eventually it is going to do well, because you know that you are laying a good foundation for your channel. So just keep uploading. And another thing is, be patient. Ask yourself, do you have patience? If you do not have patience, then you will just upload 10 videos, you see people are not watching, and you stop, you give up. And one thing is, it is who gives up that loses at the end of the day. Because if you give up, your channel is not going to live to see a viral video, to see your video go viral. That is it. So don't give up. If I want to say in pidgin, now who give up lose. That video you feel is bad is the video that is going to blow up your channel, that is going to go viral. Now let me just take you straight into my channel, so you will see the reason I've been saying all of these things, and I will come back to tell you the second reason that would definitely keep you motivated to keep posting that video you feel is bad.
This is my channel. Let me just scroll down to the beginning part of my channel so I can show you exactly what I mean. Oh my god. Okay, so this was my first video. It's even 3 years ago. This is even having 326 views. It wasn't even up to this. It's because after my channel started picking up, people came back to start watching some of my videos. That's why you can even see all this. Can you see 51 views, 49, 42, you see 1 something, 81, 76. This one was one of the videos I mentioned in one of my videos that, you know, got me some subscribers. I did that in a school. This one, can you see how even can you see my videos? 42 views. This was the second video I told you in my last one that got me subscribers. So can you see? I was doing literally anything. You can see 36 views. Yeah. You see this one, 33. In fact, see 27 views. Very good. 13 views. With no comment at all. 3 likes. Yeah, you see that some of these ones are already unlisted them. 21 views. Alright, 30, 19. Very good. 10 views. You see, 33, 2 years old. 17, 2 years of hard work. 84, 65, 30, 20. You see, 32. So let me go back to when I now came back on YouTube. I came back 2 months ago, right? So let's see. Yeah, I came back on YouTube 2 months ago. I posted this one, you know, and then that one had it. In fact, it wasn't up to 300 views. It was having about maybe 90 something or so. But after my channel started picking up, people went back to watch it. All right. So then this one, 455, 869, sorry, 869. Remember, all these views weren't as much as this until this particular video went viral. This one is having 16k currently. So this was one that made my channel have its breakthrough. And then you see the next one still didn't really do well. Maybe I made some mistakes, you know, 987, 219, 183, and then you see that some of them would do very well, 1.4k, and then blah blah blah. I started going up. Then I uploaded this. It has almost 7k, and I continued. I did not give up, because if I had given up, this one wouldn't have had 27k views. You know, so you can see all the views. So my darling, don't give up. Just keep posting.
The second reason I said you should keep posting is, when your channel now gets monetized, you see all the work you've been doing, it will pay off. All the videos you've been uploading, videos from months and years back, it will pay off. Why? Because you're going to start getting revenue from those videos. Once your video gets monetized, YouTube pays via AdSense. Okay, so once people are running ads on your videos, you are getting revenue from those ads that people are running. So let's assume you uploaded a video way back, 6 months back, you know, 12 months back, and someone now goes to watch that video. After you've gotten monetized, you're going to still get revenue. You still get paid from that video. The fact that someone has gone there to watch, you still get paid. You'll be getting revenues. People are staying to watch your ads. People are doing you will still get money, you will still get paid from those videos. So your efforts are not wasted. Keep uploading the videos that you think are bad, because eventually you will get paid, you get value from those videos. So don't even feel discouraged. Keep uploading. I wish you success on your channels. I know some of you, it might not be going as rosy as you so desire, but don't worry, it is going to get better. Okay, you've seen my channel. It was not always like this, and I'm sure it's still getting better. If you've not liked this video, please do well to like it so this information can reach a lot of people and help them to also grow on their channels. My channel is about how to help your YouTube channel grow. That's what I basically teach on my channel. Okay, so this is a good place for you to stay. I'm currently on a challenge where I'm uploading daily for a certain number of days, so you can turn on your post notification bell so that you can get notified each time I upload a new video. If you're not subscribed yet, please do well to subscribe to become a part of this beautiful family, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.